Alex here from the Working Yarn. Today I'm bringing you a Yarn 101 on the Red Heart Scrubby. So here I have two versions of the Scrubby, the regular and the smoothie, but there are two others. One that's sparkly, so it resembles the original Scrubby, but it has also a sparkle going through the thread, the yarn. And there's also a cotton version, and that resembles the smoothie. So for the original, let me put this to the side. So for the original Scrubby, this has something that will be that the yarn feel, it's not scratchy. It looks as if it would be scratchy, but it really is not scratchy. So this would be great if you're washing dishes or exfoliating your own skin. So this is a great yarn to make those types of projects. And it is 3 ounces, 85 grams, and 78 yards or 71 meters. It recommends that you use, if you're knitting, a 5mm US 8 knitting needles. If you're crocheting, an I hook or 5.5mm hook. And it's a medium weight yarn. It's also machine washable and dry. Well, it's 100% polyester, so it will be great for those projects where you are washing something. So again, it's great for washcloths and dishcloths. And then for the smoothie, it is 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, 153 yards or 140 yards. So you do get more, about twice as much yarn as you would with the original. And if it is still a medium for weight, and it is still the same if what it would need if you're knitting or crocheting. So it's a US 8 5mm knitting needles or a 5.5mm I hook. Still machine washable and dryable, and this is 100% cotton. So it can take, if you washcloths and dishcloths, so it can absorb the water and dry very quickly. So the smoothie is also great if you're doing dishcloths and washcloths. Now, for each of them, they do have 30 different colorways. For the smoothie and the original Scrubby, this colorway that I have here is the coral, and this original Scrubby I have candy. So it has like almost like a plum red yarn with white and then pink over here. So it's a variegated yarn. And they do have lot numbers. So if you need multiple balls of yarn, just keep that in mind when you're doing your projects to match up the lot numbers so that there is no variation to the color way that you're using. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching it. And if you have any questions or comments, if you would like me to use these types of yarns in any particular projects, let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button below so you'll be kept updated on all the latest videos from the Working Yarn. Wherever you are in the world, happy crocheting. Bye!